So basically it will be like that. There will be a button at the middle of this entire page, and there will be one heading. This white theme will be the default theme. So as you can see over here, I have added some transition. Whenever you will be hovering, this entire change will appear for the button, and whenever you will be clicking on this button, as you can see, with proper transition, this button is fully functionable and changing the entire theme of your website with proper transition, like this slow steady transition, as you can see. And whenever you will be clicking on this button, it is also changing the theme of the text as well. This feature is so much amazing, and it is so much easy to build. So let me just show you how to actually do that. So what I'll be doing over here, making another file over here. I'll be naming it toggle theme changer, index.html, index.css. okay, the emit abbreviation, and here I'll be just naming it toggle theme changer. So first there will be a h1 tag, welcome to learn with Vivo, and after that button, and I'll be naming this button as the ID of change btn. okay, and here I'll be just typing over here change theme, and basically in the CSS file I will be entering two properties for the entire body element. So I'll be just naming one class over here, just watch it, default theme. okay, let me open my go live server. As you can see, it have appeared. Now let me do the styling, linking my CSS file, index.css. So I'll be going for the universal selector, box sizing, border box, then padding 0, then margin 0. Then I'll be going for the body element first, display flex, justify content center, align items center, then flex direction column, gap 33 pixel, background color as black. okay, and color as white. So the same thing I'll be doing for this default theme class. So default. Okay, so let me do one thing. Transition all 0.3s and linear. okay, that will be the transition, and here default theme, copying this entire thing, and after that I'll be bringing it over here. The same thing will be like that. All I'll need to do is just to switching from this color from white to light and light to dark, and here let me style the button element. So change btn, and after that what I'll be doing, background color, I'll be selecting any of the background color over here. I'll be going for, let's say, aquamarine, then padding 22 pixels, padding 22 pixel, border, for the border radius I'll be going for 18 pixel, 20 pixel, 20 pixel. For the font size I'll be going for 2.4, no, 2.4, 1.4 rem. okay, it looks nice. Then font family, okay, it looks nice. Then font weight, I'll be going for 700 here, and here I'll be making the hovering effect, the pseudo class for the button, that is change btn. okay, so it has already recommended the entire thing. Whenever I'll be hovering, as you can see, you are able to see this sort of transition. Okay, so I'll be also entering the transition over here, and one thing I can do over here is the color will become white. Okay, it will be like that. Now here, let's say I want to add a zooming effect whenever I'll be hovering over here, and for that reason what I need to do, transform scale 1.2 or oopsie 02 or 03. I'll be entering 03. So as you can see, whenever you will be hovering, you will be able to see the zooming effect. Let me do one thing. I'll be entering it, so whenever you'll be doing it, it will show up like that. H1. I'll be going for margin. The margin I'll be setting for 22 pixel over here, and 32 pixel. Yeah, it looks nice. Margin. Then same thing I want to do for font size. 1.3 rem, bit smaller. Okay, this one looks nice. Rem. Then font family. Font family, I'll be entering this one. If I zoom in, it will be like that. Font family. And then font weight will be, I'll be setting for 899 pixel. Okay, let me do one thing. Bold. Okay, so let me do one thing here. For that, I'll be going for default theme over here. So I want my default theme to be shown like the white theme. Okay, all right, so I'll be just typing over here for dark theme. Let me just change the name, dark theme, dark over here. Okay, it sounds nice. Let me do one thing. Okay, so it is all about the order that you follow. Most probably color will be black, and this one will be white, and the body color will be white, and this one will become black. Okay, so now it looks nice. Dark theme, sorry, it will be default theme. I'm sorry, default theme. Default theme. Okay, default theme. I'm all done with the CSS part. Now let me just go for the JavaScript part. For that, I'll be writing over here script. So first, constant button document dot query selector, and after that, inside this button, I'll be going for change btn. Okay, and the same thing I want to access for the body element, body, and here I'll be going for body. I want you to do the inspect element over here and open the console. I just want to make sure that whether I have got the full access of it or not. Console log body. Okay, so I have accessed the both of the elements. Null. Okay, so let me enter it with button body. Okay, so now I have got the access, but in the comment section let me know what happened over here. I haven't got the access of this ID. I wonder why. Okay, so now I realized one thing. It will be change btn. It will be just like, okay, so now I'll be adding some event listener. Okay, so button dot add event listener, click, and here, oops, and here I'll be entering the function event, and here I'll be entering the arrow function. So here watch it very much carefully. Here I'll be entering the event and prevent default. If you are making any sort of change in your JavaScript file, it will be preventing your entire page from the change. And after that I'll be entering body dot, I'll be accessing the class list dot, okay, toggle dot dark theme. It will be default theme, FAULT. So as you can see over here, whenever you will be clicking on this button, it has changed the entire theme. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.